You're listening to a podcast from the South China Morning Post.
If you have ever caught a subway train in Hong Kong, in New York, London, or Melbourne, the videos being shared on Chinese social media and reposted on Twitter are horrifying. What you are listening to is the sound of a subway tunnel deep underground in the city of Zhengzhou in Henan province. That's not trains you can hear. It's the sound of floodwaters that have turned the railway tracks into a raging river. Carefully walking along the edge of this tunnel, above the water that's rushing past, are people who have just escaped the train carriage they were in. The man filming this on his phone just said, "This is like a horror movie. Oh my God." But these are the lucky people who managed to escape. There are other videos being shared of people on subway trains up to their neck in water. There's images of torrents of water pouring out of elevator shafts into subway stations. Above them at ground level, volunteers are forming rope teams to pull people up from underground shopping malls. In the past few days, the city of Zhengzhou, roughly 700 kilometers southwest of Beijing, has received the most amount of rain in its history. It's a disaster unfolding in a city that has a history of going back 10,000 years and that today is home to more than 10 million people. The massive wildfires in
nerve-shredding visuals were shared on social media, where trapped passengers struggled with chest-high waters inside a train carriage. At least 12 people were killed in the metro. 5 more were injured, and more than 500 were later rescued. Officials had to cut open the roof of the coach to pull people out to safety. Now, this comes after coastal cities of South China witnessed this year's 7th typhoon. Typhoon Sempaka brought strong winds and heavy rains with it. Scientists say climate change is worsening flooding around the world.